Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor 400 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And then click open and click on agree and continue. Here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in Firefox browser, or you can click not now, and here you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now again. And now you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.